So I just got my truck back. I've had it back for a week now. For all of you all who don't know, I basically had to get a transmission replaced in this truck. The thing has 80,000 miles on it. Long story short, I was headed to South Padre, and my son got into the driver's seat of the truck. He turned the knob to 4 low, and by the time I realized that the truck was in 4 lows, I had driven 300 miles, and the transmission was pretty much trashed at that point. So lesson learned for one, don't let kids play in the driver's seat when the truck is off.
So what was it doing when you took off in 4-wheel drive low? How long did it take you to realize when you was in 4-wheel drive low once you took off?
So basically, I noticed that the truck started shifting weird. I had just pumped gas, so I thought I got some bad gas, and it was making the truck kind of ride rough. But other than that, no real indication that I was in, 4 low. Somebody had told me that the truck shouldn't allow you to drive over the speed limit with it in 4 low like that. No, I was driving 80 miles per hour the whole time.
And 4-wheel drive low, did it not change RPMs to where you would notice it? So it was quiet in 4-wheel drive low.
It was quiet in 4-wheel low. The only thing I noticed is like when I would take off from a light, it would shift really hard, and by the time the transmission had messed up on me, it was slipping. And I drove 300 miles, about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, of realizing that transmission had already messed up at that point. It was just slipping pretty hard.
So how much did the dealership hit you for on that?
So I really didn't think they'll cover the truck. I knew it was on the powertrain warranty, and I really thought they were gonna give me a runaround, but they gave me a loaner car, and they tried to tell me that it was one thing, and I told them what it really was. And they're like, yeah, we'll check it out. So they had it for a week, gave me a loaner car, and I had asked the guy, I was under warranty, but I asked him what the cost would be, and he told me it would be $4,500 if I didn't have that warranty. So thank God that thing came into place, because I only got 3 more months on it on the powertrain warranty. So that worked out right there. As you all know, if you crack open a case on one of these trucks, an engine case, transfer case, anything like that, it's not going to drive the same. Nothing beats OEM factory. So
does it drive better or newer, or how does it drive now that you had the transmission replaced?
If the truck sits up, when I say sits up, if you don't start it for about 4 or 5 days, it acts a little sluggish. I've been driving it every day since I've had it back now, so I really hadn't noticed anything. But I'll tell you what, they offered me an extended warranty on this truck, and the extended warranty is $5,000 for 36,000 miles, and that's complete trash. I'm not $5,000 for 36,000 miles, no thank you. So this truck's pretty much paid for, so I'm in a dilemma if I want to keep it or get something else.
If you had to go and get something else, would you go with another truck? And if so, what truck would you go with?
So the only truck, I'm real meticulous when it comes to trucks. Only truck I would get other than this right here is the F-250. And I would rock an older model F-250, like a 2015. But if I rock an older model F-250, it has to be ruby red. I will accept no other color. Other than that, I'll get the newer model Super Duty. I really like those, but like I said, that ruby red that's my truck of color, right? My color of that I would select.
So F-250.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So that's pretty much just been what's going on right now with the truck. I tell you what. So
if you had to go with a car, a sports car, what would you go with?
Sports car, no doubt about it. It'd be a Mustang or a Camaro, no doubt about it.
Do you plan on getting another sports car anytime soon in the future?
Honestly, I would love to. Insurance plays a role in that, because that insurance on sports cars ain't no joke. So I think right now I pay close to $200 a month on this right here. For those of you who don't know, I totaled out the Mustang. A lady pulled out in front of me, and they actually put that accident on my record, and it skyrocketed my insurance. So if I was to get another Mustang right now, I'll easily be paying $300 a month for car insurance.
Do you plan on doing any more mods to this truck while you have it?
So as far as mods go, I want to color match the bumper here, do a chrome delete and match the paint. Also, my step bar here is seeing better days, so I want to get that redone.
Are you going to go with power amps, or are you going to go back?
I'm thinking about going with power amps. That's $1,200 right there. I may do it and I may not do it. I do like the cleanness of the power amps, but like I said, for the price, you know, it's up in the air. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna keep this truck. I hate to dump money into it and then get rid of it, and I don't recoup that back. So that's pretty much it.